close that cage, something's wrong. Just boy looking at him.
They both in there got it going.
Huh?
They both in there got it going. Bear's bringing his back out.
The picture won't come out really good about the head.
No. I wish I had some more light in there because I'd like to take in there and watch her.
I had a light bulb in that hall. That's ridiculous not to have a light in that hall. There's no light or no outlet or nothing in that hall. You know what I need to do? I got some of those battery operated jobs. But one problem with them is they take 4 batteries. But I could hang. I'd like to get one of those that they advertise on TV that's got the chain and everything. You could hang one of them up in there and turn it on whenever we needed it.
They only put out about as much light as those little ones that you plug in.
Yeah, but still it would be more light than what you got right now.
You can't even use like a night light in there because there's no plugs.
Yeah, I know it.
How'd you lose your rubber band? Cheyenne's got her tongue in the hole trying to get it out. It's like, come on, I know you're in there. Come on out. It's not peanut butter, Cheyenne. You gotta roll it, baby. Come on. Here. Quit cheating.